Okay, so for Thursday's work, you're doing The Lady or the Tiger, plot and symbolism. For this video is just about plot for right now, but so let's read the directions. Fill out the following plot diagram after reading. Remember, after reading The Lady or the Tiger. After reading, you may notice that the story leaves the readers questioning. For numbers 8 through 10, I want you to make up your own ending. Have fun. What do you think the princess decided to do? What happened at the end? Okay, so this worksheet is pretty much just, your own plot diagram of The Lady or the Tiger. So if you remember what we did on Tuesday, we went over the plot diagram and I had y'all kind of insert your own movie or TV show or whatever into this plot diagram. But just in case you need a refresher, I'm going to explain each of the parts. So for this first thing, this is the exposition. And this is like the beginning of our story right here. So it's pretty much just background information. Oh my goodness, my handwriting on this is awful. I'm so sorry, y'all. Background information, stuff about the characters, so like introducing the characters, pretty much just setting up the story. And then you get to your rising action. Now, one thing that this plot diagram on here doesn't include is the inciting incident or the conflict of the story. So for number 2 right here, go ahead and put the conflict of the story. And I'm just gonna, since I left it off the sheet, I'll go ahead and explain it. Our conflict is when the king decides to throw the princess's lover in prison and, make him go to the arena. So that's our conflict. And then after that, that's our rising action. So all of this right here is our rising action. And so these are just events that kind of lead up to the climax. And so this is our climax here. And remember, I said in one of the previous videos, our climax is the end of the story. This story is unique because it ends at the climax. And so you're going to write in the climax here. And then after that, the author kind of leaves us wondering, what's going on. So, and what you're going to do for number 9. Oh, whoops. Don't have my pen on. So what you're going to do for number 9 and number 10, you're pretty much just going to create your own ending. So you're going to write, what you think happened. So for the climax, he's opening the door and, either the tiger or the lady comes out, and that's for you to decide as the reader. I thought that was pretty cool. And it's one of the reasons I like this story so much. It's because it lets you write the ending or decide the ending. So for number 9, just write your own ending. It can be whatever you want to do. And for number 10, your resolution. Does the princess somehow end up with her lover again, or does he die, or what happens? It's up for you to decide. So just be creative with this, and yeah, as long as you're creative, you'll have fun with it.